Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We are here in beautiful Paris in Montmartre, and I'm actually really excited because the weather forecast said that it was supposed to be raining today, and now it's actually sunny, and I still can't get over this view. Come take a look at this view. It's amazing. Look at this. So beautiful. There's all these motorcycles lined up down there. This area of Paris is kind of like that picturesque, like what you think of when you think of Paris, like the really tall buildings, the cobblestone streets, all these cafes everywhere. My mom actually went out this morning and she grabbed some croissants and coffee from a little bakery nearby. So I have a croissant right here, and look at this beauty. Don't worry, I know this has carbs. I have my insulin, so I'll be fine. Oh yeah, it's very flaky on the outside, you can hear it, but it's like chewy on the inside. That's very good. Alright guys, so my mom and I just left the apartment and we are heading over to one of the cafes that she went to this morning to grab a coffee.
So what kind of coffee?
To go. We're here at Cafe Bruant and I just ordered a cafe creme. This was €4, so it's about $4 US. We're actually about to go find a place to exchange money. I need to get euros.
So this is bistro.
Oh, it is?
Yes, this is bistro. 350 is bistro.
Awesome. Okay, perfect. Thank you. It finally feels like the world is back to normal, like pre-pandemic times, because there aren't any mask requirements anywhere and nobody's wearing a mask that I've seen. So yeah, everybody's just enjoying life, and it's crazy that it took more than 2 years. I'm already getting like a little bit hungry, but I can wait for now. How are you doing, Mom? Our place is on the 3rd floor, and the staircase is really old, and it has like this old smell. I actually kind of like it.
Watch the step here.
Okay. We made it back. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours later, and we're gonna be getting some lunch soon, but we spent the last couple hours trying to work on getting the bag that's still at the airport delivered to my mom's friend's address. But I came actually back out on the streets to get some B-roll footage, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, but I will update you guys when we get some lunch. So we are now looking for a cafe to eat lunch at. One of the things I love about Paris so far is that there's so many cafes on every street, and there's always like outdoor seating, so it's really nice. We just sat down at a cafe restaurant called Le Relais Gascon. We ordered omelets with a green salad, and we're pretty hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm more or less hungry. Not that.
I'm super hungry. It's past 3 p.m. and we haven't had lunch yet. My brother just ordered a coffee and I'm also tempted to get one.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. Yum. They brought the food out really fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. So it's a few hours later, it's a little bit past 7 p.m. and we decided to book the Seine River cruise. So basically it's a boat tour that takes you along the Seine River and you get to see the Eiffel Tower from a distance. We're hoping to do the nighttime one. We actually just went to the metro station nearby here in Montmartre, and we bought a bus ticket, which also works for the metro. So you can buy single-use tickets. So that's what we just did, and we're gonna get on the bus right now. Alright guys, we just got off the bus and the Eiffel Tower is literally right here, right behind me. Check it out. So cool. So we're heading over to where you get on the river cruise, and the Seine River is actually right behind me, right over there. It's a really cool area and it's really busy. Lots of people walking around, taking pictures of the Eiffel Tower. Earlier we booked the Seine River cruise on an app called Get Your Guide. I will post a picture right here. And we chose the most basic tour that they offer, which was only 16 euros, which is about 16 US dollars, and it goes every 30 minutes up until 10:30 p.m. So you basically just buy your ticket and you can show up and do whatever time works best with your schedule. So right now we're just waiting for the 10 p.m. Seine River cruise because it goes every 30 minutes, and we want to wait till the 10 p.m. one because that's kind of around when it gets dark here in Paris, and we wanted to see all the lights at night. So yeah, I'm really excited, but I will update you guys when we get on the boat. We made it on the boat, yay! It's pretty full up here. So I'm gonna hopefully get some cool shots, and I'll update you guys a little later.
Good evening and welcome aboard the Bateau Paris.
We just got off the Seine River cruise and it was so cool. I highly recommend it if you're coming to Paris and you're on a budget because it was only 16 euros and the lights at night are so amazing. I really enjoyed it. So right now we're gonna try to find the bus to go back to our apartment. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we got on the wrong bus and we ended up having to get off at a different stop that's a bit far from where we're staying in Montmartre. But we met some really sweet people that are helping helping
you're
us.
Talking to us.
Yeah, yes, yeah. So, and you're from?
I'm from Pasadena, California.
Okay, California. But she actually used to live in San Marcos, which is my hometown.
For 3 years I lived there.
Yes, yeah. So
And for 3 years I lived in Austin on Bee Caves Road.
Oh, okay, I know where that is. Yeah, that's such a small world. Yeah. So cool. But right now we're just walking over to the area where, what is your name again?
Pat Smith.
Pat Smith, okay. We're walking to where Pat is staying, and we're gonna either take a taxi back or the metro to get back to Montmartre. I'm so grateful that you guys are helping us.
I'm so glad.
In 800 feet, take a right on Rue de Rennes.
That's what's really fun about Paris. More fun than anything is the people.
Yeah.
People you meet.
Yes. I mean, definitely. Bye.
Keep reading. Have a good time.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. We're from Texas, from the U.S.
Texas, yeah.
Austin area.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Madagascar.
Madagascar?
Yeah.
Oh wow, cool.
I was born in Madagascar, but I'm Indian origin.
Oh.
Lived in Paris a long time.
Oh yes, I arrived here. I was 10 years old, so it was 40 years ago.
Wow. Merci, merci. We just got out of the taxi and we made it back to the apartment, and it's actually almost 1 a.m. It's pretty late. Those people that we met earlier were so sweet for helping us try to find our way back. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And tomorrow, I believe we're gonna go see the Eiffel Tower, so that should be a fun video. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.